What's the meaning of back projection? Back projection. Back projection.
Back projection. Back projection. Back projection is a technique used in image reconstruction, particularly in medical imaging, that involves obtaining a 3D image from a series of 2D images. The method involves projecting the 2D images onto a 3D space and then reconstructing the image back into a 3D volume. This is achieved by tracing the rays back from the 2D images through the volume, and summing the values of the voxels they intersect. Back projection is an important technique in computed tomography, CT, and other medical imaging modalities as it allows for high-quality 3D images to be obtained from a series of 2D images.